Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut audio delay. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my project in my CapCut application, and let's say that the audio of this video is delayed, and I'm going to show you how we can fix it. If we want to fix this problem, first thing first, we need to click on the video until the video is active, and we're going to scroll all the way to the right to find the extract audio option. This one guys, click on this option. Okay, and now the audio is extracted, and we can adjust our video or adjust the audio. If you want to adjust the audio, you just need to click on the audio and you can reposition the audio. You can reposition it in the way that you want to, like this. You can keep adjusting to fix the audio delay until your audio matches your video. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can fix CapCut audio delay. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.